Alright, let's get real for a second. You've probably seen the Acorns ads. Invest your spare change. Sounds great, right? But where exactly does that spare change end up? Is it in some magic money tree? Or is it funding a secret lair for squirrels? Let's dive in and find out. First off, what is Acorns? It's an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's like having a tiny financial fairy godmother who turns your loose change into potential growth. But where does that money actually go? The short answer, the stock market. But let's break that down. Acorns doesn't invest your money directly into individual stocks like Apple or Tesla. Instead, it uses something called ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. Think of ETFs as baskets of stocks. Instead of buying a single apple, you're buying a whole bushel. These baskets are designed to track specific market indexes, like the S&P 500. So, when you invest with Acorns, you're essentially getting a tiny piece of a whole bunch of companies. But which ETFs does Acorns use? Well, that depends on the investment plan you choose. They offer a variety of portfolios, from conservative to aggressive. Each portfolio is made up of different ETFs, with varying allocations to stocks, bonds, and other assets. Now, let's talk about fees. Nothing's free, right? Acorns has a tiered fee structure. There's a basic plan with a monthly fee, and then there are premium plans with higher fees but additional features. It's important to understand these costs before you dive in. Alright, so your money is in ETFs, which are invested in the stock market. But what about risk? The stock market can be a roller coaster. When you invest, you're taking on the risk of losing money. That's why it's crucial to invest for the long term. Short-term fluctuations can be scary, but over time, the market has historically trended upwards. Acorns also offers features like Found Money, which gives you cash rewards for shopping at certain stores. It's a nice perk, but remember, it's not guaranteed income. So, is Acorns right for you? That depends. If you're looking for a hands-off way to start investing with small amounts of money, it can be a good option. But it's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals. Acorns isn't a magic money machine. It's a tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. But it's up to you to make informed decisions about your investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint.